How to change Quora password. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Quora application and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the homepage of Quora or this interface. So in order to change your password, you need to go to your settings. For that, you need to first tap on your profile option at the left upper corner, and at the bottom there is setting option. Simply tap on settings. Once you do that, you will be able to see the various options. Among them, you have to go for account option at first, and under that you will be able to see the change password option with blue color. Simply tap on that. Once you do that, you will be able to see this interface. So it says that for security purpose, please enter your password in order to continue. If you signed up for Quora using Facebook or Google, please create an account password. For your confirmation or security, you need to enter your current account password. But if you have signed up using your Facebook or Google, then you need to first create an account password and only you'll be able to change your password. If you forgot your password, you can go for forget password option where you can reset your password, and once again you can come back and enter your password over here and change. Once you're done entering the password, simply tap on done option in the right upper corner. And finally, two text box will be available over here where you can enter your new password, and at the second text box you have to enter the confirm new password. And once you're done entering the password, you can go for change password option, and by doing that your password will be changed. So this is how you change Quora password. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.